Hey there YouTube. I'm firing up my Troy-Bilt mower here. Super cheap model. 42-inch deck with the Power-Bilt Briggs & Stratton motor. It's a 17.5 horsepower, 500 cc's. This is the Pony model. The Pony 7-speed. You know what? I still gotta take off this thing that keeps this up in transit. Let's see, how do I do this? Here's one thing I appreciate, not really. Where are your kids? This is on the keychain of the mower. It's like a rubber-free thing they give you with the key. Where are my kids? Wow, I don't think that's my mower company's problem where my kids are, but okay, sure. I got this at Lowe's. It was a $10.99 model, or $1,099. I used a 10% off mover coupon, and with sales tax outdoor, got it for $1,049. Looks like this one has the reverse mode. I'm going to quickly disable that. They delivered this. I'm kind of happy because they hooked up the battery for me, so that was worth the delivery. I mean, not really. They were 2 days late, but live and learn. Next time I'll pick up my own mower. I checked the oil. I filled it with gas, with as much as I could in this tiny gas tank. You see that it looks like it has more capacity than it actually does. There's like some type of plastic air bubble thing right here. Like you can't fill it up all the way, it shoots out the top. It's annoying. Let's see here. Looks like the air filter. Oh, wow, that's pretty easy. Cool. They also gave me a little thing for making my oil changes easier. I thought that was kind of nice. You just hook it up right there, and then it's like a little, I don't know what you would call it, a little track, a little river track to make it so it doesn't drip all over the frame. It's kind of cool. Anywho, this is my serial number just for my reference. It looks nice so far. I haven't started it yet, but I guess it's time to take the plunge here. Let's take you guys along with me. Oh, alright. Ooh, hot seat, hot seat. Alright, put the key in. Probably gonna have to press on the brake. Actually, I want to choke it. Okay, the choke is set. This is the engine speed. Or this is the forward speed. I want that all the way down. God, that feels kind of cheap. It is cheap. Let's see what we got here. Got our forward reverse neutral, cup holder, deck height. I'm gonna actually set that on 2. And this is off, this is on. Okay, makes sense. This is the ejector seat button. Be nice if I had an hour meter, but I probably figured this thing ain't gonna last too many hours. Alright, I don't think there's a gas shut off like on every other mower I've had in my life. No, probably not. Here we go. First time starting it. Brake is on. Fire it up. Maybe I could take the choke down. So far, so good. Alright. Maybe it's because I don't have a beer in here. I might not start. Alright, so it's been a few weeks I've been using this tractor, and I gotta say, I really like it. After the initial starting problems, it starts on the first key turn now. I'll show you. But other than that, one feature I actually like about this is the safety. I was concerned about having to override the reverse mowing safety switch because I thought you had to push this button every time that you wanted to mow in reverse, when in reality you can just always run the thing. So after you start it, put it right into reverse and push the safety button there, and then that little light will turn on, and then unless you turn it off again or put it into the forward key again, it'll stay overridden. So I'll show you here. So yeah, you only have to do that once while using it, so it's not even worth screwing around with the wiring and overriding it. It's actually a pretty good implementation of a safety feature, you know. Let's see, what else? So after using it for a while, I found that this gas tank is way too small. It's like 1.3 gallons, and I have to fill it every time I mow my lawn, which isn't actually horrible, but the other one that I used to have had a 3-gallon tank, so I was kind of spoiled. But I haven't. You can probably get a replacement tank if you wanted to, if it was that big of a deal. The bigger problem I've had is this seat. So this seat here, if you notice how low it is, how low the back is, kind of sucks. And this right here is really slippery. So if you take a turn in speed 7, you'll slide your butt right off the side of it. So I want to get a replacement seat. What else? The little cup holder, cubby down here. It's only good for holding the key. It doesn't have much. I wouldn't put anything in there you didn't want to lose. The brake, the clutch is slippery. So if your feet are wet from grass and you try to hit the brake really fast, it'll slip right off of it. This deck, this anti-skid here, is really bad too. It doesn't help at all. I don't know what they were thinking. Like, this gets wet and it's just useless. What else? I love that I don't have to shut the gas off every time. That's kind of nice. It's got this fuel shutoff solenoid. The headlights are on when the mower's running, I found. What else? But, well, I can't think of anything else. It's a pretty good mower for what I paid. I paid $1,045 out the door with 10% off moving coupon. I'm pretty happy with it. Thanks for watching.